I'm done. I'm finally finished. Just say thank you and I'll be on my way. That's all you gotta say to me. My clean washer reminder light is off. Now you can leave me alone for the night. Why'd you get so quiet? You're not done just yet. What are you talking about? You are definitely not done yet. What? I don't get it. What did I miss? You'll see just a second. Boss, I really don't understand. What did I do? You'll find out. But first, let me do a smell test in here. Whoa! That's the smell of a clean washer. Yeah, but I don't get what's missing. Boss, what are you doing? You'll find out. I'm about to spin your tub completely dry. Oh, great. Have a nice dry.